time for What Just Happened? What just happened?
I'd like to wake up to that every day.
There it is.
Time to work out.
Oh, there's
7-minute
more.
ad program.
Look at that. There's more. This is a giveaway. Chicago White Sox, May 13th. Our own Dan Plesac shot a commercial regarding this giveaway with Hawk Harrelson. So May 13th, if you're in and around the south side of Chicago, get to Guaranteed Rate Field and check that out. That's a cool giveaway. That would get me out of bed. It takes a lot to get me up in the morning. That would definitely work.